to be able to be proud of being part of this state. So I had an interaction yesterday with my colleagues and the party functionaries, the party, uh, all my senior colleagues, and we will proceed further to ensure that government does not deviate from its responsibility under any circumstances, and all those who are involved in various irregularities and corrupt practices are brought under the purview of the law and let the law take its own course. I have also seen one more stand of the chief minister, trying to always deny. It's a denial mode, continuous denial mode. At any point of time, I will suggest let the government provide its nominee or representative and provide anybody from the government along with friends from media and independent bodies, including other political parties, to go and see what's happening. To substantiate his claim that there is no illegal mining going on and there has been no such illegal mining. I'm ashamed of that. Everyone knows what's happening. You just go to the national highways, you go to Assam, there is a cartel working. They have created a cartel. They have created a cartel to engage in irregularities, depriving the state of its scarce resources, depriving the autonomous district councils from its scarce resources, and vitiating the environment and bringing bad name to the state. So friends, on behalf of the people of the state, it is our bounden responsibility to carry forward this fight to protect the interests of our state, to protect the interests of our people, and to insulate our state and our people from this bad name, the reputation that is being circulated about the state of Meghalaya. We want to be known for good things. We want to be known as a state which I have always maintained that Meghalaya has been, we have as a state have been very proud of having vigilant and alert citizens. I hope this media interaction with all of you reach those people who are also being silent spectators. Hope they start asking questions. I have seen lots of friends, who were collectively echoing the need to have anti-graft law. And now when this anti-graft law, after having been really given the kind of legislative mandate, we must continue. Otherwise, the whole purpose of legislation ultimately is defeated. But I'm assuring the people in the state that we will not allow this to be defeated. We will ensure that the whole spirit of this act, which is a culmination of the intent and desire of the people, collective intent and desire of the people, ultimately stands tall and acts as a deterrent, strong deterrence to ensure probity in public life and to ensure probity in respect of all those people who are associated with government departments and associated with all the implementations of programs funded by public fund. Thank you.
So how are you planning to carry on with you?
See, let me be very clear. Let not anybody think that they can just get away. They cannot get away. And enough evidences. Let us respect the institution that has been created through the whole collective legislative exercise based on the desire and intent and aspirations of so-called unclaimed seized by the authorities. He couldn't find. It's a serious allegation. That means no coal but an auction. And the auction, so-called the public auction, the notification given around 15 days ahead, but actual publication in the print media was just 1 day ahead of the actual format. You call public auction? Is it the way to do public auction? Have they not known how public auction is done? So these are all standing evidence of irregularities and the actual cartel that this government has created. Now, I am told that these officers are constantly told, you do what we say. Otherwise, you are removed. There are people who are working there. It's a serious, unacceptable, distasteful precedent that's been. And I'm telling you, anywhere when these kind of things happen, the whole order that we expect to prevail in the state will not be there. There will be chaos, disorder, cartel, resulting into coming out of the whole cartel mafia and then fighting of this inter-group fighting and all. These are something which has been part of the history in different parts of the world. You look at the whole drug cartel, how they operate, how it becomes violent, how they ultimately become